wish I could take it back to when I would drink the water at the tap. But keep the logo printed on my hands. It wasn't my fear of being complacent that ended up leaving me so jaded. I'm miserable even though I made it. Got a house in the hills and I'm fucking killed me I used to be. I might die in California. In my mind I had a dream. Saw a demon on my shoulder. Yeah, I know I should probably let it go. Yeah, I know I might die in California. Die in California. Say it like this: if you ever feel like you're all alone, then it's probably time to go home, yeah. If you ever feel like you're all alone, then it's probably time to go home. Hey Dallas, can I take him home?